Good morning, students. I am your English teacher, Mr. Parikshit Rana. Welcome you all in this YouTube channel. Friends, today we will discuss our poem number 3. The title of this unit is The Laburnum Top, written by Ted Hughes. This poem has been taken from our book Hornbill. So this is the first stanza of this poem. I will read and I will explain. So look here, the first line, the laburnum top. What is laburnum? The meaning is given here, a short tree with hanging branches, yellow flowers. So the flowers of laburnum tree are yellow and the seeds are full of poison. Quite still, the tree stands still in the afternoon yellow September sunlight. So the poet has seen this tree in the afternoon, and it was the month of September and the day was full of sunlight. A few leaves yellowing. The tree turned their leaves yellow. Why? Because it was the season of autumn and all its seeds fallen. So the seeds of the trees are fallen. Now the next stanza, look here, till the goldfinch comes. What is goldfinch? Here it is written, a small singing bird with yellow feathers on its wing. So this is the name of bird. So now the goldfinch bird enter into the tree with a twitching chirrup, with making melodious sound. A suddenness, a startlement at a branch end. So suddenly it sits at the end of the branch. Then sleek as a lizard. So sleek means shiny. So here poet compare this bird with the activity of lizard. So like lizard, alert and abrupt. Abrupt means rapid. So lizard is alert and abrupt. So like that, this bird also with consciousness sit at the end of the branch. She enters the thickness. Now she enters the thickness. What is thickness? Thickness is a hard part of the tree, trunk of the tree. Why this bird enters the thickness? Because the nest of this bird is there and a machine starts up. Here poet used the word machine. Why poet has used this word machine? Here poet says that the image of the machine here refers to the young ones. Machine starts up of chittering. Chittering means it is written here to make a chittering sound, making sound. So machine starts up chittering. So here machine word is used for the young ones of the bird. Poet says that the image of the machine here refers to the young ones of the birds. A machine makes a lots of sound, like that the young birds see their mother and start chirping like a machine. The young ones flattering their wings. It is written here, and tremor of wings. Tremor of wings means flattering their wings joyfully, as their mother has comes with food. So seeing the mother, seeing the goldfinch, the birds the young ones started making sound. And thrillings, the whole tree trembles and thrills due to this situation, due to these birds, the young ones and the goldfinch. The tree itself trembles and thrills. Thrills means enjoy. So the tree also became very happy due to these birds. Now the next stanza. It is the engine of her family. What is the engine? The tree is the engine of the family of goldfinch, because the nest is on the tree of on the tree laburnum. She strokes it full, then flirts out to a branch, and once again the bird slowly reaches to the end of the branch, showing her barred face identity mask. Poet here says that her face is only the identity mask. Whose face? The face of the goldfinch bird. Why he says so? Because the goldfinch bird is yellow, totally yellow. Only the face of this bird is dark. So the face only is the identity mask of this bird. So poet says that here only her dark color face is visible. It is her face identity mask, and the bird becomes invisible in the yellow leaves. Here no one can see that bird. We can recognize that bird only by its face, because the face of that bird is dark. So poet says that the bird becomes invisible in the yellow leaves, because the leaves of laburnum are yellow and the bird is also yellow. So it is too difficult to recognize that bird in the tree. So once again we can say that poet create the image yellow. How? Because in the beginning we have seen that the flowers of this tree laburnum are yellow, leaves have also turned yellow, and sunlight is also yellow, and bird goldfinch is also yellow. So poet used the image yellow here. Now the last few lines. Then with eerie, delicate whistle. So whistle means here making sound, whistling, gentle whisper like the chirping of the bird. So with making sound, she launches away. The bird goldfinch launches away means flew away toward the infinite. Where? Infinite means in the sky. Once again the bird flew away in the sky, and the laburnum subside to empty. The meaning of last line is, and once again the tree is still and looks dead like and empty. Okay. So friends, I hope that you enjoy this poem, and next chapter we will discuss next time.